Hello, welcome to Click2Cloud. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate about billing, budget management and optimization of multi-cloud spends. Cloud's Brain Cost Manager tool helps customers to manage their cloud cost depending on daily, monthly resource usage. Go to the Cloud's Brain URL and enter the login credentials. First, we will create team. It is important to create a team if a user wants to see the billing details of cloud spends. For creating teams, go to Compute, Clouds, and click on Providers. Select the cloud provider of which you want to see the billing details. Go to Policy tab and click on Edit Tags. Here, in Category dropdown, select Team as option. And, from Value dropdown, select any one of your choice to put in team. And click on Save button. Now, we will set our budget for future security. If the budget exceeds the limit, user will receive mail accordingly. For setting budget, go to Cost Manager menu. Select Budget Management, and click on Budget Management submenu. Select Budget Year from Calendar. Now select team for which you need to enter the budget and budget percent. After entering budget, enter email address and click on Save button. Now we'll see billing details. Go to Cost Manager menu and click on Billing sub-menu. A dashboard of billing appear that shows the supported multi-cloud providers. We support Alibaba, AWS, Azure, GCP, and Huawei in billing. Now, if a user wants to see the billing details of Alibaba Cloud, click on it. User can see Alibaba details such as overview, details, cost trend and prediction. From calendar, user can select the date range accordingly. Or user can select date manually. Select the date and click on Apply button. This will show you the usage budget, total budget, estimated saving, coupon plus discount, tax, and actual cost. Also, you can see the expense versus budget graph. Further, it shows you the resource total count and services cost. In resource utilization, it will show actual cost over time period. In details, it gives a complete detail of services used in entire month. It provides a detail of every regions. In cost trend, it gives the information about daily usage and total cost of each service. We can see the maximum service usage and minimum service usage. In predictions, it shows the historical usage cost of selected cloud account and predictive usage cost of cloud account. Now we will see optimization. Go to Cost Manager menu and click on Optimization sub-menu. It shows multiple reports. Say, Cost Analysis. In Cost Analysis, we select Team, Cloud, Account, and Duration. Click on Apply button. After this, it shows the Cost Analysis report. So likewise, it consists of multiple reports like Cost versus Budget, Actual Cost over Time, Resource Usage by Cloud Provider, Resource Usage over Time, Annual Projected by Service. For more video updates on Cloud's Brain, stay tuned with Click2Cloud.com. Thank you.